Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we will learn how to integrate Stripe and AWeber. Our use case is pretty simple. When new customer is created in Stripe, it will add a subscriber in AWeber. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and AWeber is an email marketing tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to AWeber. But there is one minor problem. The integration between Stripe and AWeber is somewhat limited. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and AWeber. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so you will find an option called as product. Hover on products and at the bottom you will find an option called as connect. Okay, at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on this. Then click on sign in. Go to login. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create an account just now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description below. Actually, I would insist that you build this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so let's begin. So here you have to click on this button called as access now. Click this. Then go to this button called as create workflow. Click this. So a dialog box appears in front of you. So it is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Stripe to AWeber. Stripe to AWeber. AWeber. Okay. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. In the choose method, since we are interested in getting an information when a new customer is made, let's make the trigger as new customer. Now, new customer is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new refund, new charge, cancel subscription, and new plan, new invoice item, new order, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. So at present, let's keep it as new customer. Okay. So our idea is very simple. We are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. So this is my Stripe account, and since we are going to integrate Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's go to this part called as developers. At the left end, you will find the option called as developers. Click this. Then click on webhooks. Okay, so at the right corner, you will find a button called as add endpoint. Click this. Okay, so this is the endpoint window. Here we have a blank called as endpoint URL. So we have to fill in this blank. To get the endpoint URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the endpoint URL you want and paste it here. Just remove this HTTP part and paste it here. The description will remain empty. The version will remain same. Now coming to the most important part, events to send. Now we want to send the data when a new customer is created. So let's keep the event as new customer created. Scrolling down and you will find the option called as customer. Yeah, this one, customer created. Click this and then click on add endpoint. So it is showing that the status has been enabled. Basically, it means that we have connected Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So now Stripe and Pabbly Connect are now integrated. Let's see if our data is made in Stripe, will the Pabbly Connect capture it? So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button called as capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for the data. So let's create a dummy customer in Stripe. So customers, yeah, this one. Then click on new. we are going to create a dummy customer. So the name of the customer is Gilchrist, and the account email is gilchrist123456 @gmail.com. Okay, so description is let me bowl something random, that's all. And the phone number is 9131323917. The time zone, let's keep it as empty. The language, let's make it as French. Yeah. The currency is Swiss franc. The tax status is a taxable. The tax ID is something random. Just click on add customer. Okay, so let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data of this person called as Gilchrist123456 @gmail.com. Yes, the data has been captured. So the name of the person is Gilchrist. The phone number is this. And the person is from France. That is why it's showing FR. And the name is Gilchrist. Of course, again, I'm trying to see where is our email. Email. Yes, we have our email. Gilchrist123456 @gmail.com. So Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the data from Stripe. Now we have to sync this data to AWeber. To do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as AWeber. In the choose method, we have to choose a action. I'm going to choose add a subscriber because we want to add a subscriber in the mailing list of AWeber. Now, there are many more action types available like move a subscriber, update a subscriber, unsubscribe a email, and finalist, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the action of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. We will build a specific action type according to your choice. Okay, so at present, let's keep it as add a subscriber. Then click on connect with AWeber. In new credentials, we have to click on connect with AWeber. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is demanding access to AWeber. But before you click on access button, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so just click on allow access. Okay, so it is showing that the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Scrolling down, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of blanks is very simple. We are going to create a subscriber in AWeber with help of these blanks. Okay, so for example, in the account ID, it has already mapped my AWeber account ID. Okay, so let's keep it that way. In the list, it is showing as Aaron Manuel's list. That is because I have a list called as Aaron Manuel's list. Okay, there is actually only one list, Aaron Manuel's list. If we had more lists, it would have shown in the drop down. Okay, in my case, I only have one list, that is Aaron Manuel's list. So coming to full name and email, we are going to map in the full name and the email. So to map in the email and the full name, just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. So the full name is that we have got from Stripe is Gilchrist, and the email, we are going to map in the email. Okay, Gilchrist123456 @gmail.com. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, so it is showing that the data has been sent. So let's see whether we have a person called as Gilchrist in our subscribers list of AWeber. So let's first refresh this. Okay, scrolling down. Yes, we have a person called as Gilchrist, and the email address is gilchrist123456 @gmail.com. The presence of this subscriber shows that we have connected Stripe and AWeber with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a customer is created in Stripe, it will create a subscriber in AWeber. But to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm going to minimize this action and I'm going to minimize this trigger. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to AWeber. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and AWeber. So let's create one more customer in Stripe to see whether our integration is working fine or not. So this time the name is Lisa Colin. The account email is Lisa Colin 123ertg@gmail.com, something random, that's all. The description, let's keep it as random or something. Okay, so the phone number 9131323918. The time zone is just random, that's all. The language, let's keep it as French again. Currency is Swiss franc. Tax status is taxable. Then click on add customer. Okay, so a person called as Lisa Collin has been created. Her email address is lisacollin123ertg@gmail.com. So let's see whether we have a person in the subscribers of AWeber. So let's refresh this. Scroll down. Yes, we have a person called as Lisa Collin, and the subscriber's email address is lisacollin123ertgt@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a customer is created in Stripe, it will be reflected in AWeber.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome.